This video will show you how to replace the rear liftgate support on a Ford Edge. You'll have two of these, one along each side of your rear liftgate. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Now a quick note about replacing our liftgate support is the process will be the same for either side. But aside from that, you want to make sure that you're holding up the liftgate in some way so you're as safe as possible. Let's continue on with the removal process. This can simply be done by either using a small pocket screwdriver or even a pick if necessary. On either side of the liftgate support, we're going to be using our small pocket screwdriver or pick. You're going to find that you have a metallic locking tab that needs to be dislodged so we can pull this away from its mounting point. Make my way in, start prying this out. In some cases, you do not need to fully remove the locking clip. Other instances, you may find it easier. We are replacing this anyway. Let's hold onto the liftgate and we'll remove the liftgate support. There we are. Now we can pivot this down and we'll continue down at the body of the vehicle. Same process here. That came off a lot easier. There it is, friend. Prior to installing any brand new part, let's make sure we clean and inspect our mounting area. We'll start with the body of the vehicle. I'm just going to use some fine sandpaper because I can see some rust. We'll just give this a light scuffing, confirm that it's not rotted and weak in any way. We can use a clean rag. After cleaning it, just a tiny bit of lubricant will help us. That one looks good. Let's continue on towards our liftgate next. I have rust. If your application is not rusted, you do not need to use sandpaper. Now it's time to install our brand new liftgate support. We'll make sure we have this in the proper orientation. We're starting with the lower portion down along the body of the vehicle. Line it up, press it in, listen for an audible click, and double check to make sure it's secured before moving along to the liftgate. You can see exactly where this needs to line up. Audible click. We can adjust the height of the liftgate as necessary so we can align this. We're pressing it in, listening for a click. That is secured. Now that we have that fully installed, go ahead and remove support from under the liftgate. Double check to make sure this does its job as it should.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.